Hello everyone, so we're here from this round number 4 of this analysis of these games here in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Rus Lublin 2025. So it means day 4 or round number 4 from this one. So it means long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes of this chess clocks here from this one. So it means round robin. So it means the day is round 4 and also have a Grandmaster in Ukraine is Anna Muzichuk versus the Grandmaster in Switzerland is Alexandra Kostyniuk from this one. So it means, so these are the Switzerland or maybe Russia. So it means etc. from this one. So in this today's round 4 here in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 4 is Rus Lublin in FIDE Women's. So white plays Muzichuk is e4, e6 by Kostyniuk. So it means French defense. d4, d5, and also knight c3, bishop b4 is called French defense whenever variation from this one. So these are the main line here is also have a c4 and also knight to c6. So it means knight to c6 here from this one. So Kostyniuk moved by bishop to b4 by whenever variation from this one. So it means these are the pinning by king without check here from this one. And also e5 and also c5. So it means these are the c5 here without controls or developed by Kostyniuk here. And also queen g4. So it means these are strongest move by Muzichuk here. Or maybe with a threatening by pawns by g7. Sorry, I got sore throat. So it means queen g4 here from this one. And also knight e7 without ready by castle kingside by Kostyniuk. So it means these are the castle kingside by develops here from this one. And also capture this pawn. And also d4. So it means without threat by knights here or bishop by threat by knights here without threatening by knights and bishop to threat by knights here without check. So it means without develops here. And also a3 with a threatening by bishop and queen a5 with the strongest move by Kostyniuk. So these are the queen or bishop. So it means these are strongest here. And also queen takes captured pawn and also knight c6 good move by Kostyniuk. So it means these are threatening by queens or without neutralized by queens here from this one. And also queen c4 and also knight d5. So it means these are novelty by Kostyniuk of these games from this one. So these are the old main line here is also used. The first is castle kingside and second by bishop to d7. So it means these are old main lines here from this one. Sorry, these are my sore throat by something by bad problems here from this one. So novelty is knight d5. So it means bad move by Kostyniuk from this one. And also bishop to d2 without defense by knights here. And also knight takes captured and also rook c1. So it means without rook c1 here. And also bishop takes c5 and also bishop takes c3 without threat by queens here. And also queen b6 without threat by b2 without pawns here without threatening by pawns. And also queen f4 without good move by Muzichuk. So it means another good move. And also bishop to d4 without move by Kostyniuk here. And also bishop takes captured, knight takes captured. So these are the develops here. Or maybe without queen threat by pawns. So I think threatening by pawns by queens here without develops here from this one. And also c3 and also knight c6. So it means another bad move by Kostyniuk. So the best moves there is knight to f5. So knight to f5 here from this one. So these are knight f5 here. So back there is knight c6 here, and also rook c2 without defense by b2 here, and also bishop to d7, or maybe without coming castle queen side or castle king side, without to left and to the right here from this one. So these are the we need to choose from this castling here. And also knight f3, h6, so it means without movement by h6 here, and also bishop to e2, and also g5 with a threat by queen e4, so it means bad move by Musichuk. So the best moves there is queen to d2. So it means queen to d2 here without need to forwards or forward without backwards, without 3 steps here from this one. So back there is queen e4, and also queen c7, castle kingside by Musichuk. So it means we need to castling here, and also rook g8. So it means at the right here, so it means never by castle kingside. So it means the one only is queenside by castling here. And also bishop to b5, another bad move by Musichuk. So the best moves there is h3. So h3 here without develops here, we need to develops by h3 without pawns here from this one. So back there is bishop to b5 without threat by, so these are the threatening by knights here, or these are the queens without threat by knights here, without queens here, without continuations here from this one. And also a6 without threatening by bishop, bishop takes knight, bishop takes captured without threat by queens, and queen e3, bishop takes knight, queen takes bishop, and castle queenside by Kostyniuk. So these are the castling here without develops here. And also rook e1, rook d5. So it means well, rook d5 here, or maybe without move by battery. But I don't know how to move here without batteries here from this one. And also rook ce2, so it means these are batteries, so it means another bad move again by Musichuk. So the best moves there is rook to d1, so it means rook to d1. So if you capture this, rook takes capture check, and also queen takes d1. So if you move by here by rook to d8 without threat by queens here, and also decided is queen to e2. So slightly better from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is rook ce2 battery here, and also good move g4, good move by Kostyniuk with a threat by queens here, and also queen f4, and also rook g5, so it means bad move. So the best moves there is h5, so it means h5 here without, we need to h5 here from this one. So back there is rook g5, and also good move rook e4, good move by great move by Musichuk here from this one. And also king b8, g3, so it means without g3 here, and also a5, rook c4 threatening queen, and queen b6 without threatening by b2 without pawns, and also rook d4, another good move by Musichuk without continuations here, and also rook f5 without threatening by queens, queen d2, and also rook takes captured, another bad move again by Kostyniuk. So the best moves there is h5 again. So it means h5, we need to, let's not forget here from this one, we need two best moves here. So back there is rook takes e5, captured, and also rook takes captured, rook d5 without threatening by queens, and rook d4 without defense, captured, and without queen to queen, queen takes captured, avoided. So why don't we capture queen to queens here from this one, and also c takes d4. So these are the the 6 pawns, or 6 pawns and 5 pawns. So it means 6 versus 5 here from this one. So back there is queen takes b2 here, and also queen d8 check, king a7, queen takes a5 check, and king b8, queen d8 check, king a7 check, and king b8, and queen b4 without queen to queen, and queen a1 avoided without check, king g2, e5 without develops here from this one, and also check, king a7, queen takes captured pawn. So how many pawns here? So 5 pawns by Muzychuk and 3 pawns by Costinho. So it means 5 versus 3. So it means these are the losses here from lowest here. And also f6, queen takes captured. Oh, two more pawns left by Costinho. And also queen takes captured. So 4 pawns by Muzychuk. And also last shot queen f3. So it means without queen to queen, so it means resigned by Grandmaster Costinho. So why she resigns? Because if you move by queen takes f3 check only move, and also king takes f3. So if you move by king to a6 and also h4, and also king to a5 and also h5 without coming here. So if you move by here by queen b5 here, and also h6, and also if you move by c6 king, and also decided here, and also king d6, so it means cannot 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 coming here, so it means these are upcoming promotes queen here, so it means lose by blacks here. So loses by blacks here from this one. So it means the score from white pieces in Muzychuk is 93.7 by whites, and also the black score by Kostyniuk is 86.2. So the winner of this round 4 from Grandmaster in Ukraine is Anna Muzychuk from this one. So it means congratulations. So it means I will one last shot from this game from FIDE Women's Grand Prix. So it means round number 9. I will choose from this another soon here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep update of this chess updates from this next chess updates here. So it means happy Sunday. Bye.